super sweet crafty friends, welcome to my channel, Carolina's Creations Handmade. If you're new, please subscribe and click the bell button down below so you don't miss my videos. And today I want to welcome you to our Dollar Tree Craft Fair Ideas Hub. For this hub, there are 4 of us participating. You're going to find Josie from Life at 50 and Beyond. You're also going to find Amber from Lyric Glover 810 and Cynthia from the Scrappy Bookworm 1. I'm going to leave links on the description below and also on top here of the video to all the channels participating, so please make sure that you check all the videos. All our channels are going to be having giveaways, and I'm going to let you know a little bit about the giveaways. Every channel is going to be giving away a $40 gift certificate to an online craft store of the winner's choice, and I have to let you know AliExpress does not qualify for this giveaway. Also, in order to participate, you need to be 18 years or older, and as I said, you need to be subscribed to all of our channels, like and comment on all of the videos. And this gift certificates are actually going to be open internationally. We're also going to be giving away the projects that we create for this hub, and those are only going to be open for US participants. So I hope you guys find a lot of inspiration in this hub. I hope that you find this useful, and please let us know in the comments below, how do you like it, what is your favorite project, and if you would make this for your craft fairs. So for my first project, I am actually using this mini pot, and this pot is a candle, and I love this. I think this is something super cute, and I know that people buy candles a lot at craft fairs. So I think this is going to be a great idea. It's really easy. The project that I made with this is so easy to make, so inexpensive, because you actually have to spend the $1 for the candle. But then you buy the lace, and I'm going to be using pony beads for this also. And you can see you have 400 in the bag. And then I'm also going to be using these maple leaves. They come 50 in a pack, so you will see that with these materials you can make a lot. Ta-da! Oh my god, you guys! You have to let me know on the comment section, how do you like this little one? Isn't this adorable? It's so stinking cute. You can see I use to decorate here the border this lace ribbon. Comes 3 yards in a pack, so you can use it for several ones. You can see how cute it looks. So I use the maple leaves for this area here. I also use jute cord, and this cord you can find at the Dollar Tree too, and if you buy a roll, I mean, you can use it for tons of different things. I also added here this little hemp cord. It's the green hemp cord that I had on my stash. And I use the pony beads. I really love it. I hope you guys like it too. And I'm going to show you. If you see it from the front, you see like you have plants in here, but it's actually open. And I'm going to show you. It's like this. And the reason I did it like this is because I want people to see the description, and also this is a candle. So you need to have it open so you can burn your candle. And you'll see here I actually adhered the leaves to the cardstock here. I didn't adhere it to the glass because I want people to be able to remove these leaves. These are actually fire hazards, so you do not leave this while you burn your candle. So that's why I adhere them to the cardstock, so people will remove the cardstock and they can actually put it back. So I think this is just so stinking cute. This will make a super cute present for your co-workers, your teachers, your friends. I think this is just so stinking adorable, and I hope you guys like it. I hope this gives you inspiration, and I hope this is something that is useful for you for your craft fairs. So for my next project, I'm going to show you something that I adored. Look at this! Oh my god, you guys, how do you like this? I hope you like it. I think this is so stinking adorable. This is just so cute, and it's so easy to make. I'm going to show you a process video on how I made this little guy. And you're going to see it's so inexpensive and it's so easy to make. This one is a very small wreath. It's only 12 by 12, but this is perfect to decorate like the door on your office, or if you have a cubicle, this is small enough that you can decorate your cubicle and make it look adorable. You can give this as presents to teachers and co-workers, neighbors, friends, family. I mean, this is adorable, and it only costs $3.50 to make. And I say $3.50 because you can use some of these materials, this ribbon, to make another wreath. So you're going to spend $4, but this is going to be enough for you to make 2 wreaths using the ribbons. This is just so super adorable, so super stinking cute, and so easy to put together. This is super light, so it's something that's going to be super easy for you to carry to your craft fair, and it will also decorate your booth. So I hope you guys like this one, and I'll show you again on the process video later on how I put this one together. I really like the farmhouse decor that is so in right now. And I think this kind of like matches it a little bit, so I kind of like was inspired by that, and I hope you guys like this as much as I do. I think it turned out so stinking adorable, and this is something that you can sell at your crafts fair. And you can make this to decorate your home too. This would look so cute in the mat room or in the kitchen or small spaces too. This is just so cute. So I hope you guys like this one too. Alrighty, so I'm going to show you my process video on how I make this wreath. So here's what I'm going to use. I'm going to be using this burlap ribbon piece here, and it's a small one, but it's a good size still. I'm also going to use this garland, and this one is 15 feet, so you have enough to cover this. So you can see here, this is how it's going to be looking. I'm just rolling this around, and I'm not actually tightening up a lot because I want to give it more volume. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to kind of like wrap it around a little loose. This is what you do. You move it to this side and then push it through. It's a little bit finicky because it's a long piece, but if you kind of like gather it like I did here, it's easier for you to move it around, and you're going to see how easy and how fast you can do this. So this is great for craft fairs because you don't spend a lot of time making it. It's not expensive, and the result is just beautiful. So you're going to use a whole garland. I was not sure if I was going to need the whole garland. You're going to use it because we want to keep the volume. We want to give it enough volume, and you may have to kind of like stretch it a little bit to make sure that it covers all. So what I did is, like, it has this wire in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist it around, and I'm going to actually stick it to the wreath like that, just so it gives me the ability to manipulate everything and put it around the way I want it before I start gluing anything. So look at how beautiful this looks already. I mean, it's so pretty, and we barely did anything to it. I bought also these flowers. They're beautiful. So what you can do is you can actually put a bunch of them at the bottom like that. Look at how beautiful that looks. This is wired, so it's perfect because it makes it easier to do what we're going to do. So what I want to do is I'm actually going to fold them like that. The 2 of them like that. You see there? And then I'm going to gather it right in there. So we'll have a cute ball like this that we can actually use to decorate our wreath. So I added over there at the bottom another little bow. So I hope you guys like this project, and this is so inexpensive. And for my final project, I actually wanted to use the lip balms from the Dollar Tree because you get a lot of value for them. You get 3 of them in a pack for $1. So this is great for your craft fairs. So I was thinking like, how I want to package it. First, I thought about using the MFD dies, but wanted to use something anyone can make it without having any special tools. So look at this! Oh my god, I think this is so adorable! You guys have to tell me, how do you like this? Isn't this just so stinking cute? And this looks so complicated to make, but it's actually so easy. So it's really a great way to present your little lip balm. And I love how this turned out. I've seen people make them before, and I noticed that a lot of the times they just cover the top, and to me this is just the cutest part. I love that this is actually a shadow box, and I love it because you can see the inside of it, and I think this area is the prettiest thing of this box. So I don't like covering up. And I use transparency for the belly band for this, so for the cover, so you could see what's under it. You could appreciate the shadow box, and then you could actually decorate your lip balm and have it show through. And I also use this little bow here to finish decorating, and the bow is actually on the cover, and you will see here it's really easy to remove from the cover, and this is so adorable. I added here this little strip to cover the adhesive on the back of my transparency, but you can see here, look at how cute this is. Look at how adorable, and it looks so much more complicated. People are going to look at this and they're going to love it. It's so well presented. I really love it. You can make tons of them so inexpensively. You get 3 in a pack. I wanted them white because I wanted to make sure that the paper that I picked to decorate them wouldn't clash with any of the parts of the lip balm. And you can make it also like this. Instead of the bow, you can just do it like this, and you have it closed. If you want it closed, I really love it open better. But if you want it closed like that to give people a surprise, that is a good way to do it. And then you will reveal it like that. But again, I really think the prettiest thing about this box is the front. So I wanted people to see it right away. So you guys have to let me know, how do you like this little guy? And I'm going to have a tutorial for this one on one of my next videos. So I hope you do come back to check my videos. I hope that you guys like my ideas. I hope that they're useful for you, and that you can use them for your craft fairs. Please make sure that you go check out the rest of the videos and say hi and show a lot of love to all the other participants. And good luck on the giveaways. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Welcome to all my new subscribers, and thank you so very much to all of you, my super sweet crafty friends, for all your love and support. You guys are so appreciated. I so love you, and I hope to see you guys here soon for another video. Bye bye.